Hello students, how are you? Welcome to the third part of the lesson, the birth supplementary reader class 11th English NCERT. So we shall discuss some question and answers of this lesson. This lesson is written by A.J. Cronin, presented by SKJ PGT English JNV Katni MP. There are some difficult words which you should find the meaning of. These are very important words. You can find the meaning easily by searching the net or in the dictionary. Now the questions. Question number 1. What efforts did Andrew make to revive the newborn baby? Did he succeed? Answer. The newborn baby had become unconscious because of asphyxia. Andrew tried a special method of respiration. He plunged a small limp body of the child into basins of hot and cold water alternately, pumped his heart and was able to revive him. Second question. What are Andrew's views of marriage? Why was he resentful and confused? Answer. Andrew had seen his friends' marriages fail. The wife of one of his friends was deceiving her husband and of another was a shrew. This made him uncertain as to his own marriage to Christine. He wanted it to be idyllic. Question number 3. How did the child look like when the doctor first saw him? Answer. The baby boy appeared perfectly formed. He was not breathing. His limbs seemed boneless. His color was white. His white limp body indicated that he suffered from asphyxia pallida, meaning lack of oxygen in the blood. His head lolled on the thin neck. The body appeared boneless. Next question. Question number 4. Who was Joe Morgan? Why was he waiting for the doctor? Answer. Joe Morgan was a driller in a mining town of Blaney. He was a stoutly built middle-aged man expecting his first child after 20 years of marriage to Susan. He was waiting for Dr. Andrew Manson to help his wife deliver the baby. Question number 5. What was the dilemma that Dr. Andrew faced? Answer. Dr. Andrew Manson found the newborn child as lifeless. At the same time, the mother was also almost unconscious and weak. He was stuck as to whom to attend first. However, his heart prompted him to restore the mother first, after which he tried to resuscitate the child. So these 5 questions are very important for examination point of view. Students, comment your opinion about this revision video. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.